Ever feel like you're getting ripped off every time you buy tires? You walk into a tire shop, ask for a reliable set, and suddenly you're staring at a $900 bill. But here's what most drivers never realize. Some of the best value tires on the market are built by the same companies that make the premium brands everyone recognizes. Same factories, same engineering teams, sometimes even the same production lines, yet they cost hundreds less. Today we're revealing 5 underrated tire brands that smart drivers buy instead of overpaying for big-name labels. And before the end of this video, I'll also show you 4 simple checks that instantly tell you whether a budget tire is a hidden gem or a complete waste of money. Let's get started. Number 1. Laufen. Most people have never heard of Laufen. The name doesn't have the prestige of Michelin, Goodyear or Bridgestone, which is exactly why many drivers skip right past it. Big mistake. Laufen is actually owned by Hankook, one of the largest tire manufacturers in the world, and a company that supplies original equipment tires for brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi. Hankook launched Laufen to compete in the budget market without lowering the image of its premium brand. Think of it like a luxury automaker creating a more affordable lineup. The impressive part? Many Laufen tires are developed using Hankook engineering and produced in Hankook facilities. That means you're getting technology from a global tire giant without paying premium brand prices. Take a common SUV tire size. A Laufen X-Fit HP typically sells for around $164 per tire. A comparable Hankook Dynapro often costs around $203. That's nearly $40 saved per tire. On a full set, you're looking at savings of more than $150. Smart shoppers see the logo on the sidewall and keep the extra cash in their pocket. Number 2. Kumho. Kumho has one of the most misunderstood reputations in the tire industry. Many drivers associate Kumho with inexpensive factory-installed tires found on economy vehicles. The problem? Factory tires are often built to meet strict cost targets set by automakers. They don't always represent the best products a tire manufacturer can make. Kumho's replacement market tires tell a very different story. Founded in South Korea in 1960, Kumho has grown into one of the world's largest tire companies and serves as an original equipment supplier for manufacturers including BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi. That's not something a tire company achieves by building poor products. Its extra performance lineup has earned praise for delivering strong grip and handling without the premium price tag. In multiple independent tire tests, Kumho has competed surprisingly well against brands that cost significantly more. If you want performance without paying Michelin-level prices, Kumho deserves a serious look. Before we continue, take a second to subscribe. We don't accept sponsorships from tire companies, no paid rankings, no brand deals. Every tire on this list earned its spot through real-world value and proven performance. Now let's talk about the 4 checks that can save you from buying bad tires. Check number 1. Treadwear rating. Look for the treadwear number printed on the tire sidewall. Around 300 usually indicates balanced performance and longevity. A rating of 500 or higher generally suggests a longer-lasting tire. If a bargain tire has an unusually low treadwear rating, it may wear out much faster than expected. Check number 2. Load and speed ratings. Always verify that the load rating meets or exceeds your vehicle's requirements. A cheap tire that can't safely support your vehicle isn't a bargain, it's a risk. Check number 3. Research the manufacturer. Many budget brands are owned by major tire companies. When a tire comes from a trusted parent company, you're often getting proven engineering at a lower price. Unknown brands with little manufacturing history deserve extra scrutiny. Check number 4. Dot date code. Locate the dot marking and check the final 4 digits. Those numbers indicate the week and year the tire was manufactured. Even unused tires age over time. If a tire has been sitting in storage for years, it may not perform like a fresh one. Run these 4 checks before buying any tire, and you'll avoid most of the costly mistakes drivers make. Now back to the list. Number 3. General Tire. General Tire is one of the most overlooked brands in America. Many shoppers see it as a middle-of-the-road option and never give it a second thought. What they don't realize is that General Tire is owned by Continental, one of the world's most respected tire manufacturers. Over the years, Continental has transferred technology and engineering expertise into the General lineup. As a result, General often benefits from proven designs that were originally developed for more expensive Continental products. One of the best examples is the General Altimax series. These tires have built a strong reputation for long tread life, dependable wet weather performance, and excellent value. In many sizes, a General tire can cost noticeably less than a comparable Continental, while delivering very similar everyday driving performance. For budget-conscious drivers, that's a winning combination. Number 4. Cooper Cooper is a name many older drivers know well. Younger drivers often overlook it. That's a mistake. In 2021, Goodyear acquired Cooper in a deal worth approximately $2.5 billion. Instead of eliminating the brand, Goodyear positioned Cooper as a value-focused alternative within its portfolio. That means Cooper now benefits from the resources, manufacturing expertise, and scale of one of America's biggest tire companies. Yet, Cooper tires remain competitively priced. In many comparisons, equivalent Cooper models cost 15 to 25% less than similar Goodyear offerings. Many Cooper tires are also manufactured in North America, which remains a major selling point for many buyers. If you're looking for dependable all-season performance without paying premium prices, Cooper remains one of the smartest choices available. Number 5. Sedan. This final brand is different. Unlike the others, Sedan isn't owned by a major premium tire manufacturer. It's an independent company that has spent the last 2 decades building its reputation from the ground up. Let's be honest, Sedan isn't perfect. Some owners report increased road noise as the tires age. Others note tread life that falls short of premium competitors. But that's only part of the story. What surprises many drivers is how much performance Sedan delivers for the money. The company has invested heavily in modern manufacturing, research, and tire development. As a result, many of its products perform far better than their budget pricing would suggest. The Attrezzo touring line often sells for a fraction of the cost of premium alternatives. Its Terramax truck and SUV tires have developed a loyal following among drivers who wanted affordable off-road capability and ended up pleasantly surprised. For drivers who prioritize value above brand prestige, Sedan can make a lot of sense. At the end of the day, the smartest tire purchase isn't always the most expensive one. It's the tire that delivers the performance, safety, and longevity you need, without making you overpay for a logo. Remember the 4 checks. Verify the treadwear rating, confirm the load and speed ratings, research the manufacturer, check the DOT date code. Do those every time and you'll shop with confidence no matter what brand name is printed on the sidewall. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Fix, and turn on notifications so you never miss another car-saving tip. Thanks for watching, drive safe, take care of your ride, and we'll see you in the next video right here on Car Care Fix.